State police called, said Matthews flipped. A bad crash down on Old Pine Lane. They needed me fast through the freezing rain. So I fired up Brutus, my iron beast, the kind of help they'd need at least. Brutus and me, rolling through the black, lights so bright they lit the track. The Caterpillar engine roared to life like fireworks slicing through the night. Coal ran black like a fire untamed. The wheels bit gravel, the brakes complained. The frost on the windshield cracked like glass as we sped through the holler trying to pass. Every mile was a ghost whispering fear, but Brutus growled, we'll get there near. Brutus and me, cutting through the storm, lights on high.